Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm taking you through the new Mintay Papers Childhood Collection. This is a beautiful sunny collection, especially made for scrapbooking children's photos and making crafts and things that are related to children and childhood. So you can see the color scheme is like yellow and a soft sort of blue, grey blue, and an orange red with the white. It says little moments make big memories, big dreamer, sweet child, bravo, smile baby. A child is the greatest gift. Childhood is a journey, not a race. Little big boy, little big girl, come and play, always be yourself. That is the cardboard sticker sheet in the childhood collection. Well, let's take a look at this. We've got some floral clusters, we've got a little cat toy, a bunny rabbit toy, a bear and a raccoon, we've got the xylophone and the scooter, we've got the vintage wagon, some books, sneakers, chipboard, chalkboard, rocket and ball, shoes, book, backpack, and on the reverse a lovely spotty page, light colours on a white background. Let's take a look at the 12 by 12 paper pack for Mintay Papers Childhood. On the reverse of the front cover you get that same fussy cut image design. Let's take a look at this first page that we've got here in the 12 by 12. You can see a big pile of toys and books and children's things down here, and we've got this up the top here. So this is a very busy page with lots of things happening on it. On the back, a very clean page, this pale pastel blue with the stars, the white stars. And then this page here, we've got the chalkboard, this sort of vintage chalkboard with the floral cluster here and a floral cluster here. And on the reverse, we have some dotted line patterns in the colours, the main colours of the collection. On this page here, we have a lovely treehouse page, and on the back, beautiful yellow, buttercup yellow, with white stars in different sizes. This is a gorgeous swing seat with toys and books, waiting for a child to jump in, and a beautiful page of rainbows. I love that. Here we have a floral page, and on the reverse, hopscotch courts drawn into the cement. This is our page of 4 by 6. We've got the wagon, the bear, ABC, rocket, raccoon, chalkboard, backpack, books, rabbit, pens, cat reading a book, and the scooter. And on the reverse, have a look at the interesting frames that look kind of hand-drawn here, almost like a cartoon effect. And that brings us back to the beginning again. I am loving the pastels on the reverse. It's a nice contrast to the very busyness of the drawn designs. I love that yellow. I actually really love this collection. I love those rainbows. It inspires me to think that maybe I'll get to scrapping more of my photos that I want to scrap. What do you think of this collection? What do you think you might make with it? Let's take a look at the 6 by 6 paper pad now. On the inside cover, you get an ABC, the cat, a book, and the bear toy with frame. And then you're getting all of the same papers that we have just gone through in the 12 by 12, but you're getting them on a smaller 6 by 6 size. I'm loving the colours in this collection. I love that buttercup yellow page. I love the rainbow page. It's a very bright, happy, sunshiny collection. Perfect for scrapping little kids. That's beautiful. I'm thinking about what I might create with this collection, and I'm thinking about what you might create. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any requests for this collection. And this concludes all of the new collections for February 2021. Stay tuned for more Mintay collections coming soon. I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.